Good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday. I just thought we'd start with the morning walk. That's because that sky is so interesting this morning. I mean, the clouds are like got this pretty pink hue. What are you? Oh, you're stalking something that I'm not paying any attention to. Okay, funny. Anyway, the sky is just so pretty this morning. It's just amazing. The grays and then the pinks. It's really pretty. They're way over there on that side of the street. We're over here. Come on, Cass, let's go. Come on. There's still air quality issues, but oh my, it's that skyline this morning that is so pretty. So I thought we'd start with our morning walk this morning. First, since I also forgot to say good night last night, so this morning clip will go on to yesterday's, and I don't know what I'll do. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I don't know. Anyway, the point is we still try to enjoy each and every day with these guys because life is short and uncertain, and we just never know what life will bring. So take each moment and enjoy it with those you love because life is really short. And I don't know if he's going to turn here or if we're going to go straight. And we're turning to go to the park. Are they following? They're over there staring. But we're going to the park. Because this is what Chaos wants to do this morning. Right, Chaos? Chaos. Is that right? Are we going to the park? Are we going to the park? There's a squirrel on top of somebody's garbage can. So we're stalking the squirrel. Can we not do this squirrel chasing thing this morning? Come on, let's go. Chaos. Come on. Come on, buddy. Forward. Leave it. Leave the squirrel. You can see him. I don't know if you can see him. He's there on the garbage can. Good boy. Come on. Oh, I sound congested this morning. Still checking the squeaker on the garbage can. Come on, buddy. Come on. Chaos. Yeah, he's right there. Buddy. And there come Miley, and she's totally oblivious to that right there. Stuck by this. Oh, there it goes. To the park. Good Thursday, everybody. We are out on our morning walk. Miley and Chris are up there. Cass and I are back here. I just thought we start this video adventure with our morning stroll. Yeah, it's kind of pleasant because sunrise is over there somewhere as we're just getting our morning walk in with these guys for the day. It's a Thursday, so my parents will be coming over. So these guys will get extra love and treats today. Come on, buddy. Come on. Cass, come on. They're waiting. They're waiting. I think she's pooping, actually. But it's kind of morning pleasantness. It's not too hot and humid this morning. Is it, Chaos? It's not that hot and humid. So we're gonna go through this park here. All right, buddy. You can hear the water running already. At least I can. I don't know if you guys can. But it's really, we've had so much rain that this is really high. Which is good. Usually by this time in August, everything's kind of dried out. We've had so much rain this year. We're predicting snow a lot this year, but I have mixed feelings about Donut Chaos. I don't mind snow, I just don't mind a lot of it.
We could have a good ground cover would be one thing, but if we're under feet of snow early, it's going to stink. Here they go. Come on, Mr. Bubs. Come on, buddy. Nope, we're going this way. We're going this way. Yes, come on. They're up there. They're up there. Ooh, be just a minute. Probably go through the park and then back through those neighborhoods back there. So, anyway, like I said, it's Thursday, so it's treat day. Grandma and Grandpa are coming. And then these guys have been playing more at night than in the morning, I think, because it's just cooler at night. So we'll try to do some more nighttime footage later in the day, since these guys are more active then. The schools here probably have a few more weeks of vacation for the kiddos before things start. In Minnesota, school starts after Labor Day because of the state fair and the weather. Did he just say there's a cat up ahead? This could be trouble. So anyway, we did try once upon a time to start schools in late August, and it did not work very well, and they went right back to after Labor Day. So we'll see what the rest of the day brings. Good. Oh, where'd Mr. Chaos go? Oh, he's way over there. Hi, Bubs. That's kind of a nice night out here, isn't it? Yeah. What do you think, Miss Mai? You guys gonna play? You look like you're gonna get him. Oh, there we go. Playtime. Doggy playtime. You guys gonna play? Yep. Oh, really? What else, Miley? You guys gonna play? Oh, yes. Go get her. Go play. Cass, go play. Go play. Miley, play. Go. Playtime is the best time. Doggy Russell. These guys had a good day with Grandma and Grandpa. They had a little snack, a little extra attention, and now it's evening playtime. And they have 3 of their walks. Yeah. Oh, such playfulness. Yeah, we play. You look like you're going to sneeze, Chaos. Oh, look at how handsome you are. Are you handsome? Are you the world's handsomest boy? Yeah, you guys play. We fixed this deck a little bit, as you can see. We got tired of all the bunnies. Not that we have anything against the bunnies, but we just got tired of dead doggy bunnies because they would come and run underneath here and the dogs would dig and then the bunnies would get caught and trapped. Because we haven't had as many bunnies, or hardly any, since we fixed that, closed off the bottom of the deck. So we save bunny lives by doing that. Right, guys? Do we save bunny lives? Oh no, Chaos is down. He's back up. It's hard to believe that it's already August 21st. Oh, such viciousness. Run, Chaos, run. It's hard to believe fall is just a heartbeat away. What do you think, Miss Miley? Are you ready for fall? You ready for fall? And cooler weather? Huh? Where you going, buddy? Where do you think? Oh, you're taking a pee break. Let's see what Mr. Chaos is doing. Oh, my hand is starting to cramp. Are you guys ready to go in? Yeah, they're already ready to go in because it's just a little humid out here. We're gonna go in? You ready to go in? Okay. All right, time to go inside. Here we go. Let's see. Not quite. So it's nighttime, and Mrs. Miley is in her little corner, aren't you, sweetie? In your corner for the night. Yeah. And Mr. Chaos, I believe, is on the deck. Let's go check Mr. Chaos. Ah, you can tell it's so dark. Mr. Chaos. It's right out here. Hi, nighty-night boy. Huh? Should we say goodnight to everybody, Mr. Handsome? Say thank you for watching today. Thank you for subscribing. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah. Share us with your friends. And enjoy each and every day with those you love. Because life is short and you don't know how much time you have, so you've got to enjoy it. Yep. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for commenting, sharing all that stuff. Yes. And we'll see you next time. Now, Mr. Chaos.